Hello. I am capital letter K.
Hi, letter K. Nice to meet you.
Hello. I am small letter K.
Hi, small letter K. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am the kicky letter K.
That's who I am. K, K, K. Let's say K.
We are the Kicky Ks. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. K, K, K. Let's clap our hands to letter K.
K, K, K. Let's clap our hands to letter K.
Who are you?
I am Kicky, the kangaroo, the king of karate kicks.
Where do you live?
I live in Australia, in the savannah. I am a peace-loving herbivore. Still, I can kick really hard and cause bruises. You just try.
Who are you?
K is for king, brave and strong, ruling his castle all day long.
What are these?
This is a kite. That is a key. K is for kite, flying so high, dancing with clouds up in the sky.
What are these? They are so much alike.
K is for kiwi, small and shy, running around. It cannot fly. K is for kiwi, juicy and sweet, a brown fruit that's fun to eat.
What is this?
K is for kitten, cute and small. K is for kitten, playful and small, chasing a ball down the hall. K is for kettle. K is for kettle, whistling softly to start the day, pouring a cup as the golden sun comes out to play. K is for koala, sleepy and slow, hugging the trees wherever they grow.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter K today. Learning letters is a fun game. King, koala, and kite, hooray!
See you next time. Don't be late. For letter X, it will be great.